Smart rings are evolving from mere fitness trackers into sophisticated wearable devices that leverage artificial intelligence to deliver personalized insights. In this video, we'll cover 5 leading smart rings that combine design, functionality, and advanced technology to redefine health and wellness monitoring. Number 5. The Oura Ring. Gen 3 is a powerhouse for health tracking, leveraging machine learning to analyze over 20 biometric signals such as body temperature and heart rate variability. This advanced technology delivers detailed sleep staging, recovery scores, and personalized insights, adapting over time as it learns your daily habits. Backed by peer-reviewed studies, it is particularly popular among athletes and health enthusiasts. Its sleek titanium design is both subtle and durable, while the battery can last up to 7 days on a single charge. The ring is available starting at $299 for classic finishes, and $399 for the Premium Horizon Edition, which features a unique domed design and exclusive colors. Number 4. Ultrahuman Ring Air. Focusing on metabolic health, the Ultrahuman Ring Air pairs artificial intelligence with real-time glucose monitoring via third-party sensors to optimize your diet, workouts, and energy levels. In addition to monitoring heart rate variability, skin temperature, and sunlight exposure, which can even prompt suggestions for vitamin D adjustments, it weighs just 3 grams, making it extremely lightweight. All insights are provided upfront without any recurring subscription fees. Priced at $349 in matte black, silver, or gold, there is also a bundle option available for an extra $50 that includes a glucose monitor for deeper metabolic tracking. Number 3. Circular Ring Slim. The Circular Ring Slim serves as both a sleep and stress guardian, using AI to enhance your daily routine. Its smart alarm feature wakes you up during your light sleep phase to help reduce grogginess. Made from eco-friendly recycled titanium, this ring is waterproof and charges fully in just 20 minutes, providing up to 2 days of use. Although its slim design offers a discreet fit, it may feel a bit tight on wider fingers. The product starts at $279 and comes in finish options such as onyx, silver, or rose gold, with an optional $35 leather charging case available for improved portability. Number 2. RingConn Smart Ring. Offering premium features at a budget-friendly price, the RingConn Smart Ring uses AI to generate comprehensive weekly wellness reports. These reports highlight your sleep patterns, activity balance, and heart health trends, along with actionable tips like taking a 10-minute walk after meals. With a 5-day battery life and a scratch-resistant coating, the ring is designed for everyday durability, and its one-time payment model means there are no recurring subscription fees. While the black version is priced at $199, those looking for a more upscale finish can opt for the gold or silver versions at $269. Being a newer brand, long-term reliability data is still emerging, but it remains an excellent option for those seeking quality features at a lower cost. Number 1. Amazfit Helio Smart Ring. The Amazfit Helio Smart Ring Health Tracker is a feature-rich wearable designed for health and fitness monitoring without the need for any subscription. Crafted from durable titanium alloy, it monitors your sleep quality, heart rate, and stress levels using Zepp OS, all while connecting seamlessly via Bluetooth. With a fast 1.4-hour charging time and a lithium polymer battery ensuring reliable performance, this ring is also built to be swim and shower water resistant. Available in multiple sizes, it is attractively priced at $169.99 after a 15% discount from the list price of $199.99, making it a strong contender for those looking for an affordable yet robust health tracker. Moreover, its sleek and modern design not only enhances its functionality, but also complements any outfit, making it an ideal accessory for everyday wear. Before finalizing your purchase, it is always advisable to check the latest reviews and product updates on Amazon to ensure that you are getting the most current and reliable version of these innovative devices.